Hey there everybody, it's Rad. Today I will be reviewing the LEGO minifigures. This is series 23. I've got all 12 here. I ordered them as a set online. That way I know what I'm getting. That way I don't have to go to the store and do the whole feeling of the bags and see which one I got. I know exactly what's inside of them. All I have to do now is put them together and go through them one by one and discuss which ones I like the best. All right, here we go. So here they are, all 12 of them, complete with all of their accessories. I've noticed this year there's a lot of costumed ones, but then again, aren't we all wearing costumes in this world, in this life? I don't know. Anyway, that's another question for another time. Minifigures wearing costumes of other characters is a recurring theme with this series, but I'd also like to mention that there are a lot of figures here that pertain to particular holidays that people celebrate around the world, namely Christmas. There's even Thanksgiving turkey in the back for those in the United States. And you could say they're all wearing costumes, so Halloween as well. So let's start off with the reindeer. The reindeer's got a bell in front that's printed. It's got antlers that are removable. It's got a tail in the back that's also printed. And it comes holding with box. It looks like a blue Tiffany box from the store, with cookies. In this case, there are gingerbread heart cookies. Pretty cute. I also like the gap in the figure's tooth. Adds some character. And next up is the snow person. This is one I've been excited about because years ago I did a series of paintings based on iconic characters from our culture, history, etc. And that just happened to be LEGO minifigures as well. And this one was missing from the collection because there just wasn't a LEGO minifigure that was a snow person that I really liked. You know, this one seems to be the definitive one now, but it's also a costume. The other one actually that I always wanted to paint that never got to because they didn't have a figure of it was the Nutcracker, which comes in this set as well. So that's pretty cool. 2 for 1. Anyway, I like the fact that it's got a removable nose, and the hat comes off, and even the head, and it's pretty funny how the person inside is sweating because they're hot in that costume, which is funny because the irony of the fact that they're in a costume of a figure that it's supposed to be cold, of snow. I like the scarf that is 3-dimensional, and the broom I would have swapped out for, like, I don't know, like a witch's kind of broom, but this one seems like more like a sweeper for like a janitor or something. The next one is from the Christmas collection as well. This ballerina is called the Sugar Fairy, and I think she's inspired by the Sugar Plum Fairy from the ballet by Tchaikovsky, The Nutcracker, from 1892, I think I read. She has a candy cane, which is the first time I've seen a LEGO candy cane, and I can see that being used for future gingerbread LEGO houses, and I can't wait to see that. She has sprinkles on her cheeks and on her feet, which I'm not sure if she needs it because she's not holding anything that has sprinkles on it, right? She doesn't have like a cupcake or anything. She's got some silver decals on the front of her outfit, and she also has some details on the back of her wings as well. And here's the Nutcracker from that famous ballet that is usually in production during the holiday season. So he's got the great hat. He has got hair that is actually part of the hat, and you can see it from all different sides. He has a lot of gold details even in the boots. I wish the walnut were 3-dimensional as opposed to just printed on a LEGO round piece, but what can you do? He's got epaulets that are removable, face on the back that features a smile. Both faces have dots for rosy cheeks. What makes the holiday elf so cute, I think, is her pigtails, which is such a unique design, which I think is new for the minifigures. She is holding what seems to be a gingerbread house inside of a dome. It could be a snow globe, perhaps. I mean, it's got these little dots on the top that are printed that make it look like it's snowing. Overall, she's a welcome addition to all the other elves that have been made over the years. Now, there have been a lot of robot costumes in the past, and this one's a little bit different because it's supposed to be a cardboard robot. Although I don't know how you're going to cut through cardboard with scissors. I'm not sure why she has a television in her other hand as a screen. I kind of wish that the color of the box were maybe brown, like a cardboard box. I suppose the idea was that they used a box sort of like the box from the reindeer to make the costume. But, you know, it has a lot of nice details on it. One of the things I do like about it is the on and off switch on the arm. Now, I like the idea of this popcorn. I'm just not too keen on the design itself. I don't know why there are these curves that flare up like that. I kind of wanted a more angular shape for the popcorn. Maybe it has to do with the arms fitting in there. And the hair, I don't know. I mean, see how I called it a hair? It doesn't look like popcorn. It looks more like someone's curly hair or something. Now, this wolf has given me the big bad wolf from the Three Little Pigs vibe, even down to the little tongue coming out. Yeah, and there's a sack, like he's gonna take away one of these pigs. I like the costume, how it's a bit raggedy, the fur coming up from the top. That's a nice touch. I like the mold of the head, and the tail is looks like the tail of a, well, actually a raccoon. Wasn't that used for the raccoon for a previous minifigure? I think so. But anyway, it's a nice one. I actually have 3 minifigures that are pig costumes from an earlier series that now I could add with this wolf and put the whole story together. This turkey is a nice design. It's got a lot of personality and it's got wings that we've seen before, but the piece on the back actually is new. That is definitely a nice mold, a nice new addition. Although I'm not sure what these dots are in the back, what they signify or what their purpose is. Who knows? Anyway, it's a nice figure, and I like that it has the pumpkin that goes with it too. Now, the fairy captain we have seen before, but this time he's wearing a boat. There have been other minifigures that are wearing costumes like this, like a race car or a plane, but the boat is nice. I like the design of it. It's a nice shape. Boat captains we have seen before, but this one's got a new face. Also, I'm not sure if the boat is on backwards. Now, we have seen knights before, but this one's supposed to be a little girl wearing a knight costume. He's got a sword and a shield, and her face is revealed here. And she's got a hobby horse, which is a new thing. Hobby horses are one of the oldest toys ever. The shield and armor designs are from the original 1976 Lego castle. That was all yellow, but it had these purple designs. They were stickers before, and now they're printed on. And here's a character for the knight to battle. It is a dragon. There used to be a dragon that was red with a little boy inside of it. This one's a girl with a green dragon. I like the design, I like the tail, I like the wings, I like the headdress with the horns on the top. It's still a great design. So now there's a green one to go with the red. Well, that's all 12 of them, and which is my favorite? Well, I'm partial to the Nutcracker and the Snow Person, because I always wanted to do paintings of them, and so I have an affinity for them both. So I'm surprised he showed up in the same series, though. That's incredible. And yeah, look for paintings in the future. I like the other designs. I like the details and the accessories of a lot of them. Like, I like the candy cane here. That's going to be a great addition. I'm looking forward to seeing that on many different Lego designs of gingerbread houses. Now, are these figures rad recommended? Of course, these figures are definitely rad recommended. Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share this video with family and friends. Alright, thanks again, everybody.